Hello, I'm Mia from Miro AI Studio.
I will show you how Miro AI creates professional database schemas in minutes, giving you the perfect starting point for your data architecture. Select Create Diagram. Now use this comprehensive prompt. Design a relational database schema for an e-commerce website. Provide a list of main entities and their attributes, primary keys and foreign keys, the relationships between entities indicating one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many connections, and a simple diagram representation that can be visualized as an ERD. Miro AI generates a complete database schema with entities like users, products, orders, categories, reviews, and more. Each entity includes appropriate attributes, proper primary and foreign key relationships, and clear connection types between tables. You get a visual representation showing how customers relate to orders, products connect to categories, and orders link to products through junction tables for many-to-many relationships. This AI-generated schema gives you a professional foundation to build from, not a final solution. Use it as your starting point to understand the core structure, then customize based on your specific business requirements. Add custom attributes for your unique use case, modify relationships based on your business rules, and adjust data types according to your technical constraints. Once you have refined your database design, export it as a PDF for documentation, save as an image for presentations, or keep it in Miro for ongoing collaboration with your development team. You even can paste it in another board and keep it as a synced copy, meaning all the changes that are done in the original will reflect in this one. Create your database schema in Miro today and subscribe for more development tutorials that will speed up your project planning. Thanks for watching.